AI is not replacing humans, it is replacing generic humans. Skill is no longer the differentiator, identity is. Because when AI can write, design, and analyze faster than you, the only thing that still commands premium attention is who you are, not what you do. The future belongs to those who brand their humanity like an IP. AI rewards clarity, not competence. The clearer your digital fingerprint, the more you stand out in a sea of sameness. Now, here is why identity is the new skill. AI personalization loop. Algorithms reward consistent identity data. Be someone the system can categorize and amplify. Synthetic scarcity. Real human presence becomes rare and thus valuable. Data sovereignty. Owning your own dataset, your content, voice, and persona is the new intellectual property. Now, as always, to the solution. Here is what to do. Codify your signal. Define your voice, tone, and aesthetic. Monetize your likeness. Own your face, your voice, your digital twin. Integrate your data sovereignty. Host your asset, track your metrics, and build your own identity layer. AI won't erase individuality, it will price it. And the most valuable identity will be the one that cannot be cloned.